Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the weekly Forex forecasting. So, as you know, us every week we came to analyze for you the Forex market and the opportunities us we saw, and we will enter in them. So, if it's the first time of you here, you watching us, go down and subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. And if it's possible, smash the like button. And you who be a subscriber with us, please smash the like button to help us to growing up more that channel. So, my friend, as every weekend, before we even start, we go into my browser to show you the coming news. So, let's go into my browser to show you the coming news, my friend. Here we are, my friend, in my browser. As you see, the coming news, what we got. In Monday, 29th of August, we got retail sales of the Aussie or Australia. In 30th of August, Tuesday, we got at 12 o'clock, Dow 1 Harmonized Index of Germany or Consumer Price Index of Germany. So make a close eye at Dow 1 because Dow 1 is the CPI, my friend, of Germany. In Wednesday, 31 of August at 1 o'clock. By the way, all the times here I'm telling you, is it with UTC or GMT time? So you make it with your local time. At 9 o'clock of the morning, we got Dow 1 of the Eurozone. At 12:15, we got EDP employment change of the USA. 12:30, we got gross domestic product of Canada. So make a close eye at that one, my friend. Thursday, 1st of September, we got at 6 o'clock retail sales of Germany. At 2 o'clock afternoon, we got ISM manufacturing of USA. And that one, if you be in trader, you know what that one do. In Friday, 2nd of September, my friend, we got non-farm payroll of USA at 12:30, my friend. So, that's the coming news, my friend. Make a close eye at the news, my friend, because those news, they are going to do something different in the market. So, now it's going back to our broker to show you more, my friend. What is it there? Here we are, my friend, in our broker. And the first one we got, it's DXY or DAXI or US dollar index. And that one you need to make a close attention at it because if that one going up, other pairs they will falling down. So because as majority of you didn't know, forex pairs they are a pair against other. So when US dollar is going up, like now let's say US dollar against the euro, US dollar it will going up, the euro it will fall, and vice versa. So everything is too clear, my friend. So as you see, my friend, that one is it here at that level here. And we've been at that level here all the week. Now my view to it will continue till it would reach to that level here. 112.231, that one here. Why? I will tell you why, my friend. Because if you see here, what it giving you here, at that zone here, it giving you a flag, my friend. And when it's going to be broken, you came from that zone here like that. You calculate it like that. So as I told you, it's going to go here. So make a close eye at those things, my friend. Everything is too clear. Levels we got here for DXY. The first level here, 112.231. Another level here, 108.730. And that one here, 106.628, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see, my friend, that one, what it giving us here, a trend line here. Is it going up? And even in the chart, same thing. Now, when it touching the lower of the trend line, it's showing a reverse here. So my view to it, it will continue going up until it will touch in here, that overbought area, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for US dollar index, my friend. The other pair we got is the Euro USD, my friend. And the Euro USD last week, if you remember, we used to be here. I told it's going to make a small correction, then it's going to fall down till here. But what it did without any correction, just from here, it fell down till here. And if you being someone who being subscriber with us, my friend, and you know what us we said before, we said we got here in that zone here, a head and shoulder, my friend. And that we're driving all that. That way, as we said, is going to fall down till that zone here. So now what? Our view, my friend. Our view now is going to make a small correction like that till that level here. Maybe, that just maybe. Then after that, it's going to drop. Or another scenario from here is going to drop. Because if you see here in that zone, Same thing like the Doxy. It giving you here a flag like that. So you're going to come, you calculating from here to downward, my friend. If it's breaking for you that flag, everything is too clear, my friend. So the levels we got here for the Euro USD, my friend. First level here, 1.02, 476. Another level here, 1.01, 240. Another level here, 1.00018. And that one here, 0.98, my friend. Remember those things, my friend, very, very, very well. And also, every day we put in 2 videos, my friend, in all the whole week. We put in videos analyzing for you the DXY. So if you are trader in the Forex and you want to follow us, you can join us in our channel. So every day when we put in a DXY or US dollar index analysis, you're going to know where is the market is heading, because we don't know. The whole week is very long, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, my friend, last week we used to be here in that zone. I tell it is going to go upward, and that's what it did. Look where we are now. We are here. My view to it from here is going to continue till it came here to the overbought area, my friend. Then after that, it's going to drop again to the oversold area. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, my friend, with how to go upward, just from here is going to fall down because it's touching for all that red level. Also, we draw it. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the Euro USD, my friend. The other pair we got is the cable or British Pound USD, my friend. Even that one, the same thing like Euro USD, my friend. If you see in here, it give you here a flag like that. And if you being someone who following us last week, what we said it give you here double top like that, as you see it. And that way also we tell you it's going to fall down till here. If you remember and you being someone who following us. Now the same thing, my friend, as you see it. What it giving you here? It giving you here a flag. So you make the calculation from here till here. From that zone here till here. When it's breaking for you, make the calculation of you. But me personally, I think it's going to make a small correction upward going till here. Maybe. Then after that, it's going to drop, my friend. So make a close eye at those things, because that week is going to come the ISM manufacturer of USA. And that one, it might down, because when that one came positive, the US dollar index, it fall down. When it came negative, the US dollar, it hike. So make a close eye at that one very, very, very well, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So the levels we got, my friend, first level here, 1.21808. Another level here, 1.19614. And that one here, 1.17773, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see it, last week we used to be here. I told it's going to go out, then it's going to fall down. And that's what it did exactly, my friend, in the chart. Look where we are now. We are here. Here, something very important, my friend. Here in the RSI, here down, he tried to give you here like a head and shoulder, my friend, like that. It hasn't breaking for you the neck yet, but if it break it for you, my friend, you are going to go upward here. Remember those things very, very, very well, my friend. Is no one show you those things? Also, we are the only channel we show you those stuff, my friend. So I told you it's going to go upward till here, till the overbought area, my friend. Then after that, it's going to drop again. The drop, it needs to drop till it will touch in the lower of that channel, my friend. That channel we draw it in the weekly. So that's it for cable, my friend. The other pair we got is the Aussie, my friend, or Australian dollar USD. That one last week we used to be here. I told you it's going to make a correction till here. That's what it did exactly here. Then it fall down. So you're looking at it in front of you, my friend. And another thing here, same thing like the euro, like the cable. Same thing, they give you here a flag, my friend. By the way, the flag is like that. If you see it, my friend, that is a flag. So if it's breaking for you the lower, you calculating like that. I think it's going to go till here. So also we're staying on a downside trend, my friend. So the levels we got, my friend. First level here, 0.71011. Another level here, 0.70078. Another level here, 0.69129. Another level here 0.68 563, and that one here 0.67 779, and that one here 0.67 032, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend? So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see, we are here, and my view to it from here is going to go up until it touching here. Then after that it's going to drop, my friend, and I will tell you why. If you came like that, as you see it, my friend, what the price giving you here, give you here a trend, it touches here and here, that the third time. That's why my view to it is going to go upward, my friend, till it will touch in here, the overbought area. Then after that it's going to drop. So everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the Aussie, my friend. The other pair we got is USD Japanese yen, my friend, and USD Japanese yen, the same thing. The last week we used to be here, if you remember it, here. Told it's going to go upward, and that's what it did till here. And now it gave us here a trend, my friend, like that. But also we got here a long-term trend, as you see it here, when it touch it. But also now we are not going to go with that long-term. Also now we are going to go just with that smaller one, as you see it touch it here. My view to it is going to go till here, my friend, till that level here. Because USD, as I tell it to you, the US dollar or DXY or US dollar index, it's still going upward, my friend. And even here, it give you the same thing, my friend. As you see it, it give you here a flag, or that one it give you a wage there. So when it be going to be broken, you calculate it, my friend. You calculate it from here. Then you make the target up here. So everything is too clear, my friend. Levels we got, my friend. First level here 139.404. Another level here 138.006. Another level here 136.236. And that one here 133.792, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see it, my friend, that our analysis for last week. And we draw here the trend line. As you see it, it came to it now. It touched it. That's why I told it's going to go upward, my friend, till here, till the overbought area. So we're still going upward, my friend. And another thing here, if you see here in that zone, we started from here, and now it came to it. So that one is a trend line. It touched it now. So it's going to go upward, my friend, and it's going to stay with you, the trend line now. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the USD Japanese yen, my friend. The other pair we got is the gold, my friend. The gold last week we used to be here. I tell you it's going to fall down till here. Then after that it's going to go upward, and that's what it did exactly as you see it, my friend. Now it fall down again. I think now we are going to go lower than that, my friend, and I will tell you why. If you see here in that zone, I'm drawing now. Make a close eye at it, my friend. What it's showing you now. That cup and handle, my friend. So that the lower of it. When it's going to be broken down one, you calculate it like that. And you make it lower. It's going to go lower than that, my friend. In that level here. I haven't drawn it. But I'm going to update you as I tell it to you in the DXY every day. Every day also we put in 2 videos analyzing the DXY and the SP500 index fund. So if you are interested, you can subscribe to our channel and you're going to benefit from all those things, my friend, free. So levels we got, my friend. First level here 1775.17. Another level here 1750.89. And that one here 1733.34. And that one here 1706.76, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see here in the RSI, my friend, what we got. If you remember, also we got here that line of the divergence. He touched it here, the gold. And after that, it's falling down. Now my view to it is going to continue till it touching here the oversold area, my friend. Then after that, I'm going to update you next week, my friend. So that's it for the gold, my friend. The other pair we got is Dragon or British Pound, Japanese Yen. And that one, my friend, the same thing happening to it as you see it. Also, we still here in a wedge, my friend, or a triangle, or name it whatever you want. When it's going to be broken, we are going to head for down, my friend. Now you need to make a close attention, my friend, to that triangle, that one. When it's going to be broken, you calculate it from here, from that zone here, to the lower here, and you bring it here. You put the target down, my friend. If it's breaking for you the upward here, you do the same thing, my friend. Now there is no inter, no long, no short in that one. But me personally, I think it's going to go short now. It's going to go lower till it will touch in here. And after that, we're going to see what's going to happen, my friend. Everything is too clear. Levels we got, my friend. The level where we are now, 161.870. Another level here, 159.863. That one here, 159.039, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see it, my friend, the same thing here in the RSI. We got that downtrend. Every time he touches, he fall down. And now he touch it. My view to it from here is going to fall down again till it will touch in here the oversold area. Then we're going to see what's going to happen. I'm going to update you next week, my friends. So if you are not subscriber, you can subscribe to our channel. And you can join us in Telegram. Our Telegram channel is down in the first comment. Go there. So also when you put in a new video, you're going to be notified directly to your phone. It's better than the notification of YouTube. But it's up to you, my friend. So that's it, my friend, for today's video. See you in the daily candle. Finish it for the Bitcoin if you are a Bitcoin trader. If you are just a Forex trader, see you in the next week, my friend. Bye for now.